Welcome back. In the previous section, we saw that Python's logging defaults to the warning level, ignoring debug, and info messages. To make logging truly useful for development, we need to configure it. We do this using the logging.basicconfig function. 1. Setting the log level. By passing level equals logging.debug to basicconfig, we lower the threshold. This tells the logger to process all messages at the debug level and above. Now, when we run the code, the previously hidden debug and info messages appear in the console. 2. Formatting the log output. The default output format is basic. We can customize it using the format argument. To do this, we use specific log record attributes, which are placeholders that Python replaces with actual data, such as the time or the log level. In this example, we define a format string. %AskTime s inserts the time, %LevelName s inserts the severity, and %message s inserts your text. This structure makes logs much easier to read and analyze. 3. Logging to a file. In production, you rarely watch the console. You need logs saved to a file. We achieve this by adding the file name argument. We also set file mode to W to overwrite the file each time the program runs, or to append to the existing file. Once this is set, logs will go to the file and will not appear on the screen. To summarize, proper configuration turns logging from a simple tool into a powerful monitoring system. Our next lecture, 22.10, Log Exceptions. See you there.